Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Japanese breakfast. We'll show you how to make simple cucumber tsukemono, pan-grilled salted salmon, and spinach and egg miso soup. A typical Japanese breakfast consists of steamed rice, some kind of protein such as egg or fish, a small vegetable side dish, and miso soup. Healthy and tasty, it's a perfect meal to start a day. First, we prepare the cucumber and kombu tsukemono. Slice cucumber thinly and diagonally. In a plastic bag, put sliced cucumber and we add some salted kombu. You can find this type of salted kombu in a bag at Japanese markets. It's packed with umami and very convenient. You can sprinkle over rice or seasoned vegetable like this here. Mix together well and leave for 15 minutes. You have a tasty side dish in no time. Next, we cook salted salmon. You can buy already salted salmon at a Japanese market or just sprinkle some salt over salmon fillet on the night before and keep refrigerated. In the morning, simply cook fillet of salmon in a frying pan at medium heat covered about 3 to 4 minutes. Remove the lid and turn over and cook for about 3 more minutes until cooked through. That was easy. It took less than 10 minutes to cook this delicious salmon. For miso soup, make dashi first. Here, add a packet of dashi mix in water in a pot and boil for 2 minutes. And turn down the heat to low. Dissolve miso paste in a soup. Add some baby spinach and drop in eggs. Cover and cook for a couple of minutes until eggs reach the doneness you like. Quick and easy miso soup is ready. We cooked steamed rice in advance by setting the timer on a rice cooker. Making Japanese breakfast isn't too hard or time-consuming if it's thought out ahead. Try this easy combination and you'll be satisfied with a healthy and delicious meal.
美味しいね。